Hello friends, my dear students. Myself Vandre Sheetal from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borawake College, Sirampur. As per the new syllabus of State Board, this chapter, Human Health and Disease, it contains the structure of the antigen-antibody complex, immunity and different types of the diseases. In the previous video, we have discussed about the some diseases like the dengue, typhoid, etc. Now here come towards the disease, that is the cancer as well as the AIDS. And here, as we know that the how these diseases that will be get occur into the human body, that diseases it maybe takes place because of they are showing the loss of the immunity system is there, and due to loss of this immune system, the one by one here the system that will be get collapse, the organ that will be get collapse, and therefore the decreasing capacity to fight against the various types of the diseases leads to here the decreasing immunity indirectly. And therefore those diseases just like the cancer, though they are comes under the non-communicable category, but once they are get started, once they are get adapted in the body, there is having a very less chance to get the cure, because here maybe that condition it will be get identified at the primary or secondary stage, it will be easy to the cure. But if the tertiary stage or at the third level cancer, it may be come towards the severe condition to the body patient or may come under the uncurable category. Though the science has been get evolved, there are various treatments available or also. Okay, now come towards here how actually this cancer is that. This cancer word it's showing that the cancerous, it is nothing but the crab-like appearance or the irregular growth of the cell division, it will be get takes place. And this crab-like appearance means here the irregular growth of the cell, how it takes place, because of the mitotic cell division, means here uncontrolled growth of a cell, it leads to the cancer, where the cell is having the lost the capacity to divide, and therefore the continuous cell division takes place, and due to this continuous cell division, here the growth it comes here the maximally, and it forms here the tumor-like structure, and that tumor-like structure it called it as nothing but here the crab, and this therefore this cancer term it comes into in the existence. Okay, now here this cancer it is having the benign or non-malignant tumor as well as the malignant tumor or the cancer. How this benign tumor or the non-malignant tumor is there? This shows that the benign tumor means here it grows very slowly. It may attain due to a large size and it remains restricted to a specific area. It does not spread all over the body part. Therefore, it does not necessarily mean that this benign tumor they are not here the troublesome. The some benign tumors they are harmful. Example here the brain tumor. This brain tumor it is having the location is present only in the brain, and therefore it cannot get the spread throughout the body. The malignant tumor it comes here, they shows that the growth rate of the tumor it is the very fast, rapid growth takes place, and the mortality rate is comparatively more than the benign tumor, because the very fastly the growth of this cancerous cell takes place inside the body. These cells they are spread from one organ to the another organ, maybe through the blood or lymph or the new tumor, they are called it as the secondary tumor, and this migratory process it is called as the metastasis. Okay, now here which are the types of the cancers are there? There are 5 main types of the cancers are there, and here these types of the cancers they are showing. The first is the carcinoma. This carcinoma it shows that the cancer that arise from the epithelial tissue covering or the lining of the body organ, means here inside the breast cancer as well as here the lungs cancer, cancer of stomach as well as the skin cancer. Then the sarcoma. The second type is the sarcoma. Here the cancer that arises from the connective tissue, that is called as the sarcoma. It includes here the bone tumors, that is the osteochondroma, and the muscle tumor, that is the mycosarcoma. The cancer of cartilage, that is the chondrosarcoma, and cancer of adipose tissue, that is the liposarcoma. Means here, depending upon the organ location, these different types of the cancers are there. Then the lymphomas. This lymphoma is showing that the cancer that arises from the lymphatic tissue. It occurs in the lymph node, lymph vessel, lymphatic system as well as the immune system. Then the leukemia. It is nothing but here the type of blood cancer, and in which here the normal count of the WBC tremendously get increased, maybe here in lack, and therefore the uncontrolled growth of or uncontrolled formation of WBC, it leads to the leukemia. The next is that is the adenocarcinoma. The fifth type is the adenocarcinoma. Here this adenocarcinoma cancer, it arises from the different types of the glands present in body, that is the thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, and that is associated with this glandular structure. Now, which are the main causes of the cancer? Here, just like chemical, radiation, virus, these different causes of the cancers are there. But how they will be get affecting on the body cell? The chemicals here various that is responsible to cause the cancer. For example, those persons, they are having the habit of the tobacco, and here that contains the nicotine, right? Therefore, it also responsible to cause the cancers of the mouth. Then caffeine, product of combustion of coal and oil, several polycyclic hydrocarbon, some sex hormones, steroid, they are gives here secreted by large amount and may responsible to cause the cancer. The breast cancer seems to have hormonal relationship. It is more commonly observed in women who avoid the breastfeeding to their children. The second is the radiations. The different types of the radiations are there. These radiations are responsible to cause the cancerous cell, to form the cancerous cell inside the body. Just like that, the X-ray radiation, gamma rays radiation, cosmic rays radiation, ultraviolet rays, these are the carcinogenic. They incidence are responsible to cause the skin cancer also. And here, day by day, the global temperature, it is get increasing. Due to increasing it is global temperature here, whatever the ultraviolet rays from the sun, due to depletion of the ozone layer, they may be directly came on the earth surface, and therefore, by coming these rays on the earth surface, it is responsible to cause the skin cancer also in the various people they recently found on this earth. The viruses, these viruses causing cancer, they are having or they are called as the viral oncogenes. These viruses, they are called the oncogenic viruses. Here the human papilloma virus is responsible also to cause the cancer. Then the oncogenes. Oncogenes means those genes, they are responsible to cause or to develop the cancerous cell. Here the several genes, that is the proto-oncogenes, they are identified from the normal cell, and where they will be activated under the certain conditions that could be leads here the formation of normal cell or proto-oncogenic cell into the oncogenic cell, which result in formation of the cancer. Then the addiction, the various addictions are present in or observed in people nowadays in society also, and the different types of the addictions, just like mostly the tobacco, smoking, chewing of the tobacco leads to the mouth cancer, lips cancer, lungs cancer. The continuous smoking leads to also the affecting in the alveoli and indirectly leads to the lung cancer. The alcohol consumption may result in the cancers of the esophagus, stomach, intestine as well as the liver. here the drugs also cause the effect or leads to the cancer. Now, which are the treatments are available on this cancer? Here, just like the various treatments we have seen here, these treatments leads to the formation or control or avoid the growth of the cancerous cell. The first come towards the chemotherapy. Here this chemotherapy, it comprise, they are showing the certain anti-cancer drug and they check the cell division or they stop the synthesis of the DNA which is more toxic to cancerous cell and then to the normal cell. This chemotherapy may be showing the effect on the human body. Maybe here the hair loss is get observed. Then the radiotherapy. This radiotherapy is nothing but here the exposure of this cancerous cell to the different types of the radiations and which leads to mostly the gamma rays. They will be showing that the affection or control of this cancerous cell. Then the next method is the surgery. Here the removal of that part where the cancer takes place, that surgical method, due to the operation, the body parts where these cells are maximally found, that will be get removed. Immunotherapy, here tumor cells have been shown to avoid detection and destruction by immune system. Therefore, the patient are given substances called the biological responses modified such as alpha interferon, which activate their immune system and helps in destroying the tumor. Then supportive therapy. Here this supportive therapy, it shows that it is used to treat the symptoms of the cancer, side effect of the cancer treatment. The objection of this therapy maybe shows that the life of the patient may be get here reduced. This therapy varies depending upon the condition of the person. Now this is about the cancer and different types. Now come towards here the AIDS, that is here the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay. Now here the causative organism of this, it is the HIV. This is the nothing but, it was first noticed in the USA in 1981 in India, and it was first confirmed case of AIDS was in April 1986 from the Tamil Nadu. The structure of this diagrammatically showing the virus ultramicroscopic structure of this HIV. Here, which are the parts are present there. It is about the 100 to 140 nanometer in diameter, which is spherical in shape. The virus particle shows centrally located as a single stranded RNA molecule, along with here this showing the reverse transcriptase enzyme. Here inside that centrally showing the presence of the RNA molecule, along with that here the reverse transcriptase enzyme is present. The outer layer, it is made up of the protein coat, and inner layer is also having the capsid protein coat. Okay. This matrixed protein layer, it is having the additional lipid layer that is impregnated with glycoprotein, that is the GP120 and GP41. This virus replicates very actively by dividing T4 lymphocyte, and it remains in a latent stage in the lymphoid cell. This virus has a unique ability to destroy human T4 lymphocyte. This HIV, it is found in most of the blood, semen, cerebrospinal fluid, and very less in tears, milks, urine, saliva, cervical, as well as the vaginal secretion. There is also why the no treatment is available on this HIV or AIDS, because here due to the continuous mutation capacity of this virus, it does not give any response to the medicine. Now the mode of transmission. The first mode of transmission is nothing but here the infected needles as well as the syringes. When the person is suffering from this HIV or that blood is having the HIV, and the needles, they will be get used from the same person, definitely it is responsible to spread the virus. via the blood transfusion, the infected person's blood, they may be gives to the normal healthy person with the HIV. It is responsible to spread this virus. The sexual contact is also cause of this spreading of HIV, and if the mother is the HIV positive and the newborn infant, which is get here the negative, but due to this mother, there is definitely that newborn baby, it may be having with the HIV virus. Then come towards here which are the clinical manifestation on this HIV. This is the clinical manifestation is classified into the 4 categories, that is the initial infection, and in this initial infection the virus it is get here enter into body and form the antibody usually 2 to 8 weeks after the entry. Then asymptomatic carrier state, in which here it does not show any signs and symptoms on a patient. About that window period is near about the 6 to 10 years. Then AIDS related complex, it is the 3rd stage, and where it found that the person may be showing here the diarrhea, night sweetness, shortness of breath, loss of the weight, or maybe any other symptom. And AIDS, it is nothing but here the last stage where the total immunity system has been get occupied by that HIV virus, because here it has been started by showing the infection in the form of the TB, in the form of the pneumonia, or whatever it may be. Now the prevention measures. It can be here prevented by avoiding without checking blood entry. Then always use here the sterilized needle, syringes, because or maybe the new packets of the needles and syringes never used there in the previously used. The toothbrush, towels, razors of the blood contacted, they should be avoided. Then before receiving here the blood, donors and recipient both they should be get checked for this HIV test. Now here the laboratory diagnosis. The various tests now recently have been used against to detection of this virus. The very commonly in the pathological laboratory, the TRIDOT method is used to detect the cancer, whether it may be the HIV-1 or HIV-2 infected. Then the ELISA method, that is the enzyme linked immunosorbent, and the confirmatory test, that is the Western blot test. Here it is highly specific test and based on detecting specific antibody to viral core protein that envelop the glycoprotein layer. Now here they are showing that the laboratory diagnosis. Now the treatment, when we are considering here the various different types of the drugs, that is the antiretroviral therapy, ART, as well as TDF, tenofovir, then ephedrine, lamivudine. These medicines they may be get prevented by the doctors, but this medical science had suggests that this virus is having the highest mutation capacity, and due to that here it cannot be get cure, because it is not get easily identified when it is get enter in the body due to having the long window period, and up to that long window period the various systems of the body that will be get collapse, and therefore it comes under the uncurable category. Okay. This is about here the cancer as well as the AIDS. Thank you.